If you're optimizing for YouTube in 2025, narrowing down which tools find better video keywords is a question. Today, vidIQ versus SEMrush. Let's see which one's closer to the mark for creators. SEMrush shines for broad search engine and topic insight. vidIQ is built for YouTube. You see search volume in YouTube context, related video queries, competition score tailored to your video, and suggestion tied directly to your reach. SEMrush gives you lots of raw data, keyword, ideas, search trends, difficulty scores. But you have to pick and translate them into your YouTube workflow. vidIQ is keyword suggestions, topic ideas, and optimization tips are right inside your video editor. When you look at cost versus utility, SEMrush gives massive depth for SEO across platforms. But for vidIQ, many feel gives more value per dollar because it tunes everything towards YouTube. If you want a keyword tools built for YouTube that actually help you optimize while you create, vidIQ is the one I'd go with.